Hello, everyone, and welcome back to InfoCloud.
Yes, welcome back.
Pauline, are you all right? You seem very tired.
Oh, yes, I'm fine. I was just up all night and I haven't had any coffee yet.
Oh, that sounds like a recipe for a disaster.
Yeah, you're right. I think it is. Let's talk about that sentence for a moment, though.
Okay, well, a recipe for disaster means that usually something you did will probably cause a problem later on.
Yeah, can you give an example?
Sure. Staying up and studying all night is a recipe for disaster if you want to be awake for a test.
Good. I've got another one. Adding hot sauce to my coffee would be a recipe for disaster. It would taste terrible.
Exactly. It's even a bit like a recipe. Every chef knows not to cook two bad things together.
Well, thanks for the advice, Rex. Everyone, I hope you don't cook up any recipes for disasters today. Try out this new phrase with your friends.
有时候，人们做事情所采取的方法，如果是错误的，可能会带来许多问题。西方人称呼这些行为是 a recipe for disaster， 带来灾难的方法。Recipe 是食谱，如果食谱出错，煮出来的菜可能会是一场灾难。因此 ，a recipe for disaster 就可以用来形容一些容易带来后患的做法。Studying all night before a test is a recipe for disaster. 考试前通宵读书会造成不好的结果，可能成绩反而更差。这就是今天的InfoCloud，我们下次云端见。